are. You are very discriminatory. You saw his Jamaican passport. This is unbelievable. You saw that we had a Jamaican passport, and the moment you saw the Jamaican passport, you said you have no rooms, and you also said that no smoking.
In this video, this Jamaican lady was stereotyped against whilst she was booking a hotel reservation, but immediately the gentleman saw her passport, he said that there is no room for her. So she recorded the whole incident and everything that transpired over there. So let's keep watching the video. We'll come back and discuss about this. But before we watch the video, if you haven't yet liked the video, kindly like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's watch the videos together.
If I to stay here, sir? Is that what you're saying? You know, I'd really appreciate if you would answer me.
I'm telling you again and again. The lady just came. He asked me, do you have room? I said, I don't have room. The minute that you guys took time, 5 reservations came out of my system.
No. Okay, let's not deflect.
Whatever you want to do.
Excuse me?
I don't have any room.
Sir, are you going to allow me? You should call the police so I can let them know how discriminatory you are. You are very discriminatory. You saw his Jamaican passport? This is unbelievable. You saw that we had a Jamaican passport, and the moment you saw the Jamaican passport, you said you have no rooms, and you also said that no smoking. Wow.
Yes, I have a lady. She's coming and she's the belonging. She's young like crazy, and I don't have any room to sell.
I'm tell the police that me I yell like crazy. We're at the Knights Inn in Nashville, Tennessee, off Spring Street.
Yes. Thank you, officer. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. Please come.
And what are we going to tell the police now?
Whatever you want.
That I harassed you?
I just reported.
What exactly are you going to tell the cops?
I just reported, so he gonna take you out. That's what all it is. Because I don't have rooms.
So because you don't have any rooms, you're going to call the police on me because you don't have any rooms?
You threatened me. You're doing like this. That's what you do right now.
I threatened you.
I'm telling you as a...
This is unbelievable. You know, never have I ever witnessed this in my lifetime, sir.
My system is closed.
Wow.
Yeah, because he saw the passport, you were like, oh, there's no smoking.
That's where it started.
That's where it started.
So because I'm Jamaican, it's synonymous with smoking.
Right.
I deliberately sat and watched you check this person in. This group of Caucasians, and you did not say to them no smoking.
Right.
You never said that to them.
How are we gonna say that?
Excuse me?
What are we gonna say that to the kids?
Why would you say to them no smoking?
Yeah, so how are we gonna say to the kids?
So why did you say to us no smoking? Because you saw the Jamaican passport.
It's not about Jamaica. You know where I'm from?
I'm sorry, I didn't get that.
What happened?
Well, your predecessor was quite disrespectful.
Okay.
Yes, the gentleman that was standing here just before you came out. I'm sorry. Hello?
Hi, we got a 911 call to this number. Is everything okay?
For the most part, Shani said that he's gonna call the police because I'm harassing him. So I wanted to make my report as well, so we can have 2 records on file for this incident, in the event that he had actually called the police.
Okay. And are you at 99 Spring Street at Knights Inn?
Yes. So I was actually waiting for the police to get here so we can possibly get to a resolution.
And don't see any other calls at that location.
Of course not. Unbelievable. This is. Sir, have you gotten a better understanding of what is happening now?
Yeah, I got it.
And what?
He told me I don't have any room to give her.
Sir, I have everything on record. So you can lie to them all you desire. That's not what transpired.
I just did my job. 4 people came.
You just did your job
4 people.
by looking at my passport and telling me instantly, no smoking.
4 people came.
You did not say that to the white people that came here, the Caucasian families. You never said to them, no smoking. Everything was fine until he saw our passport, and that is what is making me upset. And when he saw how hurt I was and how serious I was, he actually came out and said that the reason for his behavior is because he's having a bad day. Well, if you having a bad day is going to affect you providing quality customer care, this is not the line of work for you.
4 guests came at the lobby, and I told them I don't have rooms. And you guys telling me you have them. That's why I don't have them.
Listen,
And you're recording us.
listen, you're not.
The reason for my recording is to stand as proof of what you are doing and how you're being discriminatory against us. You also lied and said you had called the authority. I just called the police. They said there's no record of you reaching out to them. Why do you think that you telling me that you have called the police would have done anything differently tonight? You thought I was going to run through the door because you called the cops? I'm not illegal. I'm not partaking in illegal activities in this country. You are grossly disrespectful.
Welcome back. So in this video, this lady was booking for a reservation in a hotel, definitely outside Jamaica, and this incident happened. You know, there are a lot of Jamaicans who live in the diaspora. A lot of them have traveled out of the country to seek greener pastures. So you will see a lot of Jamaicans in countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Canada. And that is where majority of this issue of racism and stereotyping occurs a lot. And in this particular video, whilst this lady went for this room reservation, she was denied the room just because she was from Jamaica, and because the gentleman saw that the passport was a Jamaican passport. You see, there is this issue of stereotyping and then racism that I think that we need to have dealt with as a human race by now. We are in the 21st century, and as at now, issues like this should not be popping up. We should have been able to deal with some issues of this sort. I believe we have the Sustainable Development Goals, we used to have the Millennium Development Goals, and all such goals. And I think as at now, this should not be something that should be happening in the 21st century. If you are in this 21st century, you should have gone past this issue of racism and issue of stereotyping. When this lady gave her passport to the gentleman and he saw that she is from Jamaica, instantly the gentleman judged that definitely they may be smoking or they are smokers or things like that, which definitely is not so. Meanwhile, the other couple who were Caucasian who came inside, he did not tell them the same or give them the same instruction. That should tell you that this is a clear example of stereotyping, and you do not stereotype against people like that. It is not fair a treatment to be meted out to anyone just like that. We should be given equal chances and equal opportunity equal treatment, because they are all coming there to have a place to stay for some time, and definitely they are all going to pay the same amount of money to you. So I don't see why you should tell someone no smoking, but the other person you wouldn't tell him or her anything. If you are telling everybody, then there should be a clear rule to be given to each and everyone, and not selective individuals. In that case, you are stereotyping. And I think in this 21st century, we should have been able to go past this thing, because there are a lot of issues in the world at the moment that we need to tackle and then deal with. Talk about pollution, talk about global warming, for instance. So in 21st century, I don't expect us to be talking about racism as at now. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel. Just click the subscribe button down there. Click on the subscribe button. Click as well on the notification bell. And I'll see you again in my next video.